Chapter 6 Living in Harmony. The Mango Tree. One day, Shambhu, a little boy, was going through the forest with his father. They sat under the shade of a huge mango tree. The mango tree was home to birds, squirrels, monkeys, and many other animals. Shambhu saw a monkey eating a mango and throwing out the seed. He told his father about it. His father said, Shambhu, do you know that a new plant would emerge from this seed? This is how animals and plants help each other. Shambhu ran to pick up a mango that dropped from the tree. He said, Look, I too have got a mango. Not only fruits, we get vegetables, many other things from plants, said Shambhu's father. Oh, yes, I now remember that you had told this to me earlier. We get medicines, fiber for clothes, and wood for our houses from plants. Uses of plants. Plants give us wood. Plants give us fiber. From plants, we get fresh air. Plants give us fruits. Plants give us medicine. Plants also give shelter for animals. Do you know? Thousands of trees are accidentally planted by squirrels. They bury nuts and then forget where they hid them. Like this, many animals and plants maintain harmony and balance in various ways. We need each other. Just as we provide care, protection, food, and shelter to animals and plants, we get lots of things from them too. For example, from cows, buffaloes, and goats, we get milk and loving company. That is why we respect these animals so much and we treat them with kindness, care, and compassion. Animals and plants also depend on each other for food and shelter. Animals help plants by dispersing seeds and making the soil fertile through their waste. This helps plants to grow and spread near and far. We also depend on plants and animals for food, shelter, clothing, and companionship. Visiting your plant friend. When you are feeling sad, upset, or angry, you can go to your plant friend and talk to it about how you are feeling. You can also talk to your plant when you are happy. How did you feel after sharing your feelings with the plant? Plants also need our care and support. So do animals. We can all help each other. A true story. This is a story of a small town called Valparai in Tamil Nadu. Throughout the school year, the children and teachers in different schools in Valparai look for and record birds that come to their town. Just after the rains and in the winter months, they plan a special welcome for these birds, grey wagtails. These birds, commonly known as Valatti Kuruvi in Tamil. During the cold winter months, the grey wagtails arrive all the way from the mountains to the warmer parts of India and stay there for a few months. When the first grey wagtail arrive in Valparai, the children and teachers celebrate their arrival by putting up welcome posters for the birds and they distribute sweets to everyone.